I can see that my boys are not afraid of anything. They're not afraid of new challenges, moving somewhere new, meeting new people.
So welcome, everyone. I'm Bella from the Philippines. I graduated from TGS in 2020 and I have Isa joining me.
Hi, I'm Isabela. I'm from Mexico and I'm class of 2021.
Today, we're excited to be joined by Scott Hibbard, parent of Scott, class of 2020, and Nico, class of 2017, both TGS alumni. Just to kick things off, let's be honest here, like TGS is not exactly par for the course, right? So did that make you more skeptical or were you more excited?
It made me less skeptical. I work in international education, working in the US now. Families are so too focused on the next step. And it's like, wait, let your child enjoy their experience and make choices and not just think about like, what's the next steps? It's about providing experiences for kids that are going to help them grow and develop and not just sort of check off boxes.
What was like the moment in the TGS journey that you were like, wait, this is actually incredible?
It was really early on for me. Hearing his stories, his experiences. They went to the far northern part of Sweden and met the indigenous people there and spent several days with them and ate reindeer. Just sharing that experience is like, what school is going to give him those sorts of opportunities? None. And then later on, he was in Sarajevo in Bosnia-Herzegovina. And just that experience of talking about the genocide that had happened in Mostar and the war and the impact of the war and how the country is still divided and the ethnic divisions. There's no question that what he's learning is of high value and is going to be a differentiator in his personal and his professional life moving forward.
Have you seen your kids grow emotionally, socially, intellectually?
Socially, it's interacting with people from many different cultures. You have maybe 30 kids from 25 countries. And then there's the independence, right? It's like traveling on your own, your personal belongings, your devices, holding yourself accountable because TGS is going to hold you accountable and making sure that you're meeting those expectations without your parents on top of you. And then the academic part is the independence to take on projects and then also to end up leading projects. Scott in his senior year, it was part of a graduate course in business. He went to Stockholm for part of his course. And he said he was just surprised that the graduate students weren't more independent and didn't demonstrate more leadership skills. And he was selected as their group leader.
If you could share something to a parent or a family that's on the fence about TGS, what would you tell them?
I would just tell them that the skills, and those are interpersonal skills, those are academic skills that your child will gain by going to TGS are not available anywhere else. They just aren't. And so your kid can stay where he or she is and be just like every other kid, or you can go off and make a difference in your life. You can keep your kid where they are, but if he or she truly wants that, they're going to take advantage of the experience and they are going to develop in ways that you can't explain. You need to let your child be a risk taker.